Hello guys, my name is Jeremiah Daniel, aka Keys, the crypto musician. Okay, so today I want to be talking about the MetaTrader 4, right? So there was a time I did a video about the MetaTrader 4. Right? And so when I did the video, I showed people how to actually download the MetaTrader 4 from the Icloud, right? How to get it from Icloud, from somebody's Icloud on that purchase. And I showed you guys I showed you guys the steps, and that I showed you that I collected from somebody, and I said I was willing to give it to people for free. Now I was actually going to give it to some people for free, and I said everybody should just subscribe, right? That they should subscribe to the channel and I'll give it for free. But then it has actually changed. Okay, why it changed? It changed because the person I was supposed to that I collected the app from, I agreed with the person to share it for free with everybody, and he accepted, right? Only for after that time his phone got stolen, and after some weeks, all the period where he was not even online, a lot of people have been asking for the app, right? They've been asking for the app, and I tried to get the app for them. So it was a way. I tried to get the app, but I couldn't get the app. I searched everywhere, asked everybody. People were even using me to cruise, right? People were using me to cruise, and so until I started posting, I will pay for it. Then people started sending me a message. Even some people that sent me a message at the end of the day started telling me they cannot give password to anybody, because I had to tell them, okay, I'm going to share the password to a lot of people from my YouTube, because I posted it for free on my YouTube. That I'm the one that is going to pay them. They're like, they cannot give it to anybody, so they were scared. And I was like, I'm paying you for it. You don't have to be scared about anything. I'm going to do a Zoom this thing called to monitor what they are doing, all the activities they can do. I tried to convince a lot of people, and they were scared. They didn't want to actually buy into the idea, even if I was going to pay for it. Some were even charging me a lot, like up to like 11,000 naira. If I'm going to put that in dollars, that would be like how much? I'm coming, let me see. Some were charging me so much, like exorbitantly, and I was like why? Let me see. Let's say 750 times okay, let's say 740 times, let's say $10. No, 740 times, you see, $15. So let's say they were even charging me up to like $15 for the app, right? $15 is around 11,000 naira. So, and I was like, that's a lot. Even my best friend has it on his phone, and he was not going to give me. He told me I should pay him 11k. I should pay him money. I was even telling him, I come to so place and bring the app. He was telling me, no, I should. It's me that I need something. I should come to his house and collect it. So, like, it was really stressful. I'd convinced everybody. Even my ex-girlfriend was like, I should not even talk about it to her. She's not releasing her password. She's not releasing anything to anybody. So you know how stressful it is to actually get this app. And one of my classmates has it. I had to go to school to show her. I uninstalled my previous app, and I had to log in her own iCloud, show her all the process that I had to do, and I downloaded this one. You can see that it's fresh. You can see it's fresh. Allow, accept. You see that I'm just setting up everything now, so that you know that I'm not lying. You can see it. I've not done anything on this app. You can see that it's fresh. Can you see it? So I deleted my previous app that I had just to reinstall this one and show her that this is how it is. But she still saw how everything is, and she told me that she is not interested in it, that she's scared. She's scared. I gave her, okay, let me be paying for it. I'll be charging them for it, and I'll be paying so amount of money, because the initial person that was supposed to give it to me free gave me a price. The callings you saw on that, he gave me a price, and that price didn't make sense to me. I felt like I'm not charging, and you are giving me a price. My YouTube is not monetized yet. The only thing I needed was for them to subscribe to the channel. So and I decided that I was going to be paying a little fee depending on the number of people subscribing, because I know that this thing is going to keep on bringing. It's just to provide a solution. Do you understand? Because MT4 is a very big problem and it's going to keep on bringing people for a long time. Do you understand? So I had already targeted that, okay, this I'm going to pay a particular low fee to him. Do you understand? But seeing the fact that he knows that it is widely needed, he actually started charging me for it, and the amount that he was charging me didn't make any sense. So I was begging that girl, and I told him that, okay, this is what this guy is charging me, let me do it with you, right? Then if I do it with you, you make so amount of money and you are making it for a lifetime. It's just that I need to do it because I don't want people that are subscribing to my channel after watching it, I don't want them to feel like I am trying to plead their emotions or I'm lying about it, stuff like that. So she was like, that she's scared, and I had to tell her, okay, since you are scared, then no problem, it's fine, right? I had to tell her it's fine, no problem. I had to now go and talk to the guy, and I agreed with the guy. So now he's now agreeing on a very low fee term. You can see the app works very well. You can see it's now agreeing on a very low term, which makes sense to me. So that is why I'm redoing this video. So please, if you are coming for the app, if you are coming to collect this MT4 app, please you are going to be paying for it. It's not free because I don't have any say. This is not my Icloud. If it was my Icloud now, I will share it for free. There's nothing there. How much are you paying? It's not going to mean anything to me. But just to appreciate the guy, because not everybody wants to share this app. Honestly, not everybody wants to share the app. So I decided to redo this video. Actually, guys, thinking about it, the amount that I'm charging for it now is a very tiny fee. Do you understand? It's not even worth up to like $4 or $5. It's not worth anything. Do you understand? You can make that, and you can make more than that in a single trade on your distance. So let's not think about the amount. Do you understand? Just think about the fact that now you don't need to be scrolling through a lot of YouTube channel that is lying to you that you can download it from somewhere when they know you cannot download it from anywhere. And everybody knows that nobody will release MT4 logins to you. Nobody will send you their password. Everybody is scared. Do you understand? Nobody will send you their MT4 login. So this is like the best way to actually get it. Just pay that little amount of money. It's not going up. Just that little amount of money, no more than $4 or $5, and then you get it. When you start to trade, you make a lot of money. If you are the type of trader that, okay, you are a learner trader, you don't know how to actually trade, I'm going to put my group link on the description. You can join my free forex channel where I post free signals. You can join in. If you want to do a forex mentorship, I can teach you how to trade. You just pay for the mentorship for a lifetime. I can teach you how to trade. Do you understand? So if you want to learn how to trade, you don't want to be in a mentorship, but you want to learn how to trade, you want to pay to learn how to trade, I can teach you how to trade. But if you feel like you want to be taking only free signals, there's free signals, there's VIP. If you want to do account management, there's account management. So there are different ways to make money on the forex markets. Do you understand? How many pips do you need? Just a lot size. Just put a particular lot size and I expect some pips, you make more than $5 in a goal. Do you understand? It will even take you more than 1 day or how many minutes to get it. So don't think about $5 is a lot. It's not a lot. It's not even up to the amount of stress I've even gone through. Do you understand? I'm only doing it just to provide the solution for everybody so that everybody can be happy. Because coming to my DM when I've already said it's free and then you can't get it free anymore, it hurts me too. Do you understand? But there's nothing I can do actually. Some people come to even say, please, can you reduce the price? I wish I can, but agreement is agreement. I've already told him this is the price and that is the price. Do you understand? I don't know how to go back on my words. Okay, I'm sorry it has to be like this, but trust me, there's no scamming. Once you are talking to me, 081005888932 is my number. Jeremiah L. Daniel is my my account number for those in Nigeria in case you want to send money. When you are talking to me, if you don't see that name, you know you are sending it to the wrong person. I will not even chat you up. You'll be the one chatting me up. Just I'll put my phone number, my WhatsApp number. You can chat me on WhatsApp, Instagram. You can join my channel on WhatsApp if you are in those categories that want free signals and all those stuff. There are other ways you can make money. If you are good in trading, very fine. And if you are good in trading, you already know it that the money is actually small. With the fact that you've collected the MT4, you already have it. And those that want MT5, please, for now I don't have MT5. MT5 is super hard. Somebody even had the MT5. I went to meet the guy that, oh yeah, please, I'll pay for it. The guy said it's not giving out. Do you understand? I chatted the guy up. He said, I told him that this MT5, I'll pay for it. The guy said he's not giving any login out to anybody. So it is hard, very, very hard. Before I even got it, I already gave up. Before I got this MT4, I was already trading with hot forex broker. Look at it. And I had done a video on this. I'm going to put it on my description. I did a video on how to use this in a very simple way to trade. Very sweet, just like the MT4. You can see it. This trade, if I want to close it, see it. Close you with the profit. You can see it. You can see it. It has closed the same way MT4 is news. You can see that they built it in the same way it is. I can choose anyone I want to trade. Pending, closed. You can see it has closed. How did it close? Check more information. See the trade. See when I enter the trade, right? On the 23 with the lot size 0.05. You can see it. I closed it. It's telling me what I did on it. So I already did how to take trades on this broker, right? So you can see that there's nothing I'm hiding. Look at it. If you want to check charts, if you want to change different time zones, you can change different time zones. You can see it. You can change different time zones that you want to trade with, right? So you can also use trading view. If you feel like you don't like this one, you can also set order limits, right? For example, you want to buy, you can set order limits that, okay, this is the amount I want to risk based on lot size, and it's telling you the amount you want to do. If you want to do limits, you just click this on, you put your limits. If it is buy stop, sell stop, buy limit or sell limit, it will enter. Let me show you an example. This chart is okay. Let me say I want to do a buy limit, right? Buy limit. Let's say I want to take it from here. 1.08873. Okay, sell limit. Sorry, 1.08733. Abi, let me enter it. When price is 1.08733, right? If I want to put take profit and stop loss, once I turn them on, I can enter the amount. I can enter when I want to put it. Do you understand? And it will tell me the amount. Do you understand? If I want to do that, okay, I want to use this particular lot size or so, I can put it, including take profits. Do you understand? But if I don't want to set anything, I can just put it like this, and I'll enter the trade. Sell limit order at 1.008. Do you understand? If I want to do sell stop, I can bring it down here and choose my entry. See it, 1.08448, and I come there, sell 1.08448. Sell when price is 1.08448, right? You can see sell stop order. So I already learned how to make use of all these apps. Do you understand? Open, pending. You can see it. I already learned how to actually do all these things on my hot forex app before I decided to now make use of the MT4 back, because normally I didn't get it. My friend had already told me. See, today I'm not talking to that my friend again. He charged me so much for something that I know that I will never charge him for. Do you understand? But when I saw the MT4 and I saw that I could share it, I looked at, okay, this is a worldwide solution to a lot of people that are using iOS and cannot send it. Do you understand? So I decided to, share the app, but just for a tiny fee. So if you think what I'm doing is nice, please give me a thumbs up and also share, right? And if you would like to have it, send me a DM and you just make your payment. I accept crypto and PayPal and direct bank transfers. If you are ready to get it, just send me a DM. Let's just go straight to business. Let's not go back and forth. Don't come and be doing trust issues. Send first before I send first. There's no time for that one. If I wanted to scam you, I will not call $4. And I don't know why I'm scamming my subscriber. Why will I be scamming my subscriber? Do you understand? So let's just come straight to business. Send it. I show the guy the screenshot and I tell him to send it to you. If he send it to you and I pay him for it. Do you understand? That's simple and short. No time to be wasting time. Let's not waste each other's time. And please, when you collect the login, don't compromise somebody's login. Don't start doing something else. If you want to take another app, you can tell him you want to take another app, no problem. But don't start saying you want to change password or you want to start, spoiling the tag. It doesn't make any sense, because you are spoiling every other person that is supposed to come and enjoy this thing, even if it's not now, even if it's in the future. Do you understand? Because you know that if the owner self doesn't have access to that stuff again, it's going to affect him too in the long run. Do you understand? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and you can chat me up. If you have questions, please ask questions. Okay, thank you so much.